Hey there beauty lovers, today I'm here to talk about a game-changing product that will take your lip care routine to the next level. Introducing the Honest Beauty Tinted Lip Balm, a vegan lip balm that is designed to keep your lips smooth and moisturized all day long. This amazing lip balm is enriched with antioxidant-rich acai extracts and nourishing avocado oil, providing your lips with the hydration they need, while also offering a beautiful sheer color. Whether you're looking for a natural flush of color or just some extra nourishment, this lip balm has got you covered. What's even better is that this product is UG certified, dermatologist tested, physician tested, cruelty-free, and of course, vegan. It's made without any harmful ingredients such as petroleum, paraffins, parabens, synthetic fragrances, silicones, or mineral oil. This lip balm works for all skin types, so no matter what your concerns are, you can trust that this product will work for you. So, if you're ready to give your lips the love and care they deserve, be sure to check out the Honest Beauty Tinted Lip Balm. You can find the link to purchase this incredible product in the description below. Don't wait any longer, treat yourself to the best in lip care. And while you're at it, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing beauty reviews and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I am super excited to introduce you to the 14 Swan stuffed animal, the perfect soft and smooth goose plush stuffed toy that makes for a wonderful gift for child boys and girls. This adorable plush is about 15.7 in size, making it suitable for children to embrace and play with. Made of high-quality plush fabric and stuffed with PP cotton, this goose plush is very soft and comfortable, giving you a better skin touch. Its cute white duck shape with exquisite details is extremely popular with children and adults alike, making it ideal for decoration, playing, and collection. Not only is this swan stuffed animal a great addition to any home, adding love and warmth to any space, but it also helps to develop empathy and social skills in children. It stimulates their imagination and interest in the animal world, making it a perfect gift for family and friends on special occasions such as Christmas, Thanksgiving, birthdays, graduations, or Mother's Day. So, what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on the opportunity to bring a smile to your loved ones' faces with this adorable swan stuffed animal. Click the link in the description to get yours today and let the joy and love spread. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exciting review for all you Marvel fans out there. We're taking a look at the Funko Pop. Marvel. Captain America. Civil War Build A Scene Hawkeye, Amazon exclusive, figure 2 of 12. This exclusive Pop figure is the perfect addition to any Marvel collection. Assemble your team and defend humanity with this skilled archer. With its custom painted design and faithful likeness to the character, this Hawkeye figure is a must-have for any Marvel enthusiast. And the best part? This figure is part of a set of 12, so you can collect them all and build a scene of your favorite heroes from the Civil War movie. So if you're a fan of the Marvel Cinematic Universe, or you just love collecting Funko Pops, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on this exclusive Hawkeye figure. Don't miss out on adding this epic piece to your collection. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more awesome reviews and unboxings. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a look at the incredible Insta360 X3 128GB vlog kit, the ultimate 360 action camera that is perfect for all your adventures. This camera is truly a game changer, combining 5.7K 360 with all the power of a 4K action camera in one compact and versatile package. With the ability to capture 360 active HDR video and easily reframe your shots in the AI-powered Insta360 app, the creative possibilities are truly endless. Whether you're into motorcycle riding, winter sports, or just capturing epic moments in your daily life, the Insta360 X3 has you covered. And with flow state stabilization and horizon lock algorithms, your footage will always come out smooth and level, no matter what you're doing. Plus, the included 128GB microSD card means you can start shooting right out of the box, and the 114cm invisible selfie stick allows for epic third-person perspectives that will take your content to the next level. So, if you're ready to take your vlogs, action shots, and adventures to the next level, click the link in the description to get your hands on the Insta360 X3 128GB vlog kit today. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on this game-changing camera. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips on capturing epic content. See you in the next video. Hey there, basketball fans. Today, we're taking a look at the Funko Pop NBA cover. Slam LeBron James. This collectible is a must-have for any LeBron James or Cleveland Cavaliers fan. The Pop figure features LeBron James in his white home uniform, set against a backdrop of himself on the cover of Slam magazine. Standing at approximately 4 inches tall, this vinyl figure is a great addition to any basketball collection. But that's not all. The Pop figure is also adhered to a backdrop to ensure display integrity. Plus, it comes with a protective case with approximate dimensions of 8.25 watts x 11H x 3.25D. So, if you want to recruit LeBron James to your basketball collection, make sure to grab this Funko Pop NBA cover. Slam LeBron James. Don't miss out on adding this iconic piece to your collection. Make sure to check out the link in the description to get yours now. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome collectible reviews. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a fantastic product to share with you all: the AUTOMET women's sweatshirts half-zip cropped pullover fleece quarter zipper hoodies. Whether you're looking for that perfect piece to complement your fall outfits or just something cozy to lounge around in, this sweatshirt has got you covered. First off, the material is super soft and comfortable, making it a go-to choice for staying warm in the cooler months. The quarter zipper and thumb holes add a stylish touch and functionality, allowing you to adjust for the perfect fit and keep your hands warm. The cropped length gives it a trendy and flattering look, perfect for pairing with high-waisted jeans or leggings for a casual, yet put-together vibe. And the range of color options means there's something for everyone, so if you're in need of a versatile and stylish sweatshirt to add to your wardrobe, I highly recommend checking out the AUTOMET women's sweatshirts half-zip cropped pullover fleece quarter zipper hoodies. Don't miss out on this must-have piece for your fall wardrobe. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fashion and style content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey there, gamers. If you're looking to level up your gaming setup, then you need to get your hands on the gaming controller holder One More Life. This controller holder figure and headphone stand is not only a cool addition to your desk, but it's also a must-have for keeping all your gaming accessories tidy and organized. Made of durable resin and 100% hand-painted, this controller holder is built to last and can hold all your gaming controllers, including the next-gen PS5 DualSense and Xbox Series X Plus. It doubles as a phone holder, making it the perfect addition to your gaming setup. But that's not all. The gaming controller holder One More Life also makes for the perfect gamer gift. With its carefully packaged design, it's sure to surprise any special gamer in your life. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your gaming setup with the gaming controller holder One More Life today. Click the link in the description to get yours now and level up your gaming experience. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more gaming accessories and reviews. Happy gaming! Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to introduce you to the 4K digital camera for photography. If you're a vlogger or a photography enthusiast, this camera is an absolute game changer. It's compact, lightweight, and packed with amazing features that will take your content to the next level. With 4K video resolution, 48MP image resolution, and 16x digital zoom, this camera delivers stunning, high-quality images and videos that will make your content stand out. The 180 rotatable 3 LCD screen makes it perfect for self-vlogging, allowing you to see exactly what you're capturing. The latest autofocus technology ensures that your shots are always sharp and clear, even in challenging lighting conditions. Plus, the built-in flashlight and hot shoe mount give you even more control over your shots. But that's not all. This camera comes with 2 batteries and a charging stand, so you never have to worry about running out of power. It can also be used as a webcam, perfect for video calling or live streaming. And the best part? It's incredibly versatile, with features like pause function, continuous shooting, time-lapse shooting, and motion detection. Whether you're traveling, hiking, or just enjoying a day out, this camera has got you covered. So, if you're ready to take your content to the next level, make sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the 4K digital camera for photography. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to take a closer look at the revolutionary Dyson Supersonic hairdryer. This powerful hairdryer is specially designed to protect your hair from extreme heat damage while giving you fast drying and styling results. Any of the key features of the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer is its intelligent heat control, which helps prevent extreme heat damage to your hair. With its powerful digital motor, this hairdryer is able to dry your hair quickly without the risk of damaging it. The design of the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer is also incredibly innovative, with a balanced and lightweight structure that allows for easy handling and comfortable styling. The dryer also comes with magnetic attachments that make it easy to switch between different styling tools, giving you the versatility to create the perfect look. Overall, the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer is a game changer in hairstyling technology. Its advanced features, intelligent heat control, and innovative design make it a must-have for anyone who wants to take their hairstyling to the next level. If you're interested in purchasing the Dyson Supersonic hairdryer, be sure to check the link in the description below for more details. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to upgrade your hairstyling routine with this incredible hairdryer. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and beauty tips. Thanks for watching. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the tiny expandable prefab house, the perfect solution for those seeking a versatile and adaptable living space. With one bathroom, 2 rooms, and a kitchen, this foldable house can easily accommodate a small family or serve as a modular guest house. Measuring 19x20 ft, this mobile expandable prefab house is equipped with adjustable sections to meet varying space requirements. It's the perfect solution for anyone in need of additional living space, storage, or workspace. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, this container home is built to withstand tough conditions, providing long-lasting durability. It's versatile enough to serve as a permanent residence, a vacation home, or a temporary shelter. Plus, the flame-retardant foam wallboard enhances safety and minimizes the risk of property damage in the event of a fire. What really sets this tiny house apart is its space-saving foldable design, making it ideal for areas with limited storage space. And with hassle-free installation, it's suitable for both urban and remote locations. And the best part? The exterior color of this tiny house is light blue-gray, giving it a modern and stylish look. If you're ready to take the next step and invest in this versatile and durable tiny house, you can find the link in the description below to make your purchase. Don't miss out on this opportunity to create the flexible living space you've been dreaming of. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to review the Voweek cordless vacuum cleaner with you. This powerful 30kW stick vacuum is a game changer for anyone looking to keep their home clean and tidy. First off, let's talk about the 30kW powerful suction. With a 300W brushless motor, this vacuum can easily tackle pet hair, dirt, and messes on any surface from low-pile carpet to hardwood floors and furniture. It's a total game changer. I love the smart LED display on the vacuum, which makes it easy to see the battery life, cleaning mode, and more at a glance. It's so user-friendly and convenient. The 45-minute runtime on a single charge is a total game changer. Whether you're doing a quick cleanup or a more in-depth vacuuming session, this vacuum has you covered. Plus, the 6-stage high-efficiency filtration system means you're really capturing all those fine particles. And the V-shaped floor brush and LED headlights make sure no dust or dirt can hide from this vacuum. The package includes everything you need to get started, and with Voweek's 12-month warranty and 7/24 after-sale service, you can. So, if you're ready to take your cleaning game to the next level, make sure to check out the Voweek cordless vacuum cleaner. I've left a link in the description below so you can grab yours today. Trust me, you won't regret it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the incredible cordless vacuum cleaner. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and deals. The cordless vacuum cleaner is a powerful stick vacuum with a 30-minute runtime, making it perfect for cleaning your home, car, hardwood floors, and even pet hair. And the best part? It's wireless and lightweight, making it super easy to maneuver and reach those tough spots. With its advanced 5-stage filtration system, this vacuum can capture 99.97% of dust, pollen, and more, keeping your home clean and your air fresh. Plus, the flexible brush and swivel design make it easy to reach under furniture and around tight corners. It's also incredibly lightweight and easy to use, with a long expandable neck that makes it perfect for reaching tight spaces. And with 120 W of powerful suction, it can easily pick up debris, dust, crumbs, and pet hair, making it perfect for families and pet owners. So, if you're in the market for a new vacuum cleaner, look no further than the cordless vacuum cleaner. And the best part? You can get it with Prime 1-day delivery, so you can start cleaning your home in no time. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on the cordless vacuum cleaner today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.